Namaste, welcome to School Mathematics. Welcome children. And here is the question. Look, find the smallest number which divides the following number so that the number so obtained is a perfect square. That means this number is not a perfect square. First of all, let's factorize it. Okay, it is factorized by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 0s are 0 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 0 0 and 2 10s are okay, then 2 5s are right. After this factorization right here now, 80 equals to, we can write here 2 into, look at 2 2 2 2, 4 times the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 into, here is 5. Okay, now express them in square. This is 2 square, this is also 2 square, and this is 5. Look at children, this is already in the square, perfect square, this is already in perfect square, but this 5 has no square. That's why when we divide it by 5, then 5 and 5 will be cancelled. Okay, and remaining is here. Look, what is remaining here? This is 2 square, this is 2 square, right? The remaining number is the perfect square. You can tell this is 4, which is 4 4s are 16, and 16 is the perfect square. We know 16 is the square of 4. Then what if I write therefore 80 should be divided by 5 to make it perfect square. Okay, when it is divided by 5, the remaining number is coming in, this obtained number is coming in perfect square. This is the way to do. Okay, now let's do this question here. 1000. Okay, I'm writing here solution. 1250. Okay, let's factorize this. 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 1 remaining here, it will be 10. 2 5s are 10. Now let's factor this by 5 because this unit place, look here, this is 5. 5 1s are 5 and 1 remainder here, 12. Then 5 2s are 10 and here is 12. The 2 remainder, 25. 5 5s are 25. Now let's factorize this by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 2 remainder, 5 5s is 25. Then again you can do 5 5s are 25. Okay, this is the prime number, that's why we stop here. Now right here, now 1200. Okay, this is 1250 equals to, we can write now here, it is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, this 2 only one, and 5 multiplied by 5, another 5, another 5. Okay, there are 5 4 times and only 1 time 2. Then we can write here 2 multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 5 square, and it is already in square. It is also already in square, but only remaining here 2, which has no square. That's why, which has no square, then if you divide by that, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Look here student, we divided by 2, the remaining is here now. This is 25 and this is 25, right? And remaining is here now 625. Okay, 25 25 is 6 and 25. That's why we have tried here. Therefore, okay, 1250 should be divided by 2. Okay, to make it perfect, square. Okay, when we divide this by 2, because this 2 has not expressed in square form. That's why if you cancel this by dividing, okay, by 2, the remaining number, there is 25 and 25, 86 and 25, this will come in perfect square. Okay, this is the way, okay, by which we solve this type of question. Okay, and we know what is the smallest number by which we divide, and the remaining, obtained number, this obtained number is the perfect square. Okay, like this we solve it, right? I hope you understood. Thank you very much.